system is used in digital electronics. You have to study in digital electronics subject in computer network. So here we will discuss about number system. So first of all, we will discuss what do you mean by number system. So a system that is used for expressing numbers or representing numbers is called the number system. So in digital electronics, the numbers are used to represent the information. Alright. Hence, it is important to learn and understand different type of number system so we can easily represent and interpret the information in the form of numbers. So there are several types of number systems which can be classified on the basis of base or radix of the number system. So what do you mean by base here? Base or radix? Here, the base or radix of the number system is the total number of symbols used to represent or used to denote the numbers in the number system. So we can classify our number system into four types. First is binary number system, second is octal number system, third is decimal number system, and fourth is hexadecimal number system. So radix of the radix or base of the binary number system is 2. Why? Because binary number binary number system binary number system have only two digits, either 0 or 1. Okay, and octal number system has base of 8 base of 8. So because it contains 8 number of digits to represent this number system, to denote or represent this number system. Okay, so decimal number system, this number system has base or radix 10 because it contains digits from 0 to 9. And hexadecimal number system has a base or radix that is 16 because it uses total 16 symbol to represent numbers. Symbols are 0 to 9 numbers and A to F alphabets. Is it fine? Clear? Okay. Now we will proceed with binary number system. Let's see. So binary number system is one of the four type of number system in computer applications where binary numbers are represented by only two symbols 0 or 1. The binary numbers here are expressed in the base 2 numeral system. For example, 1012, 101 is a binary number because this number the 2 represent base of this number system. Okay, so binary number system has a base 2. So one this number contains only two digits as shown in this figure, 1 or 0. Okay, so each digit in this number system is said to be bit bit. Each digit in a binary number system is called a bit. Okay, next number system is decimal number system. In the decimal number system, the numbers are represented with base 10. It is also called the base 10 number system, which consists of 10 digits 0 to 9. Each value in this number system has the place value of power 10. Means if we want to write this 85, so how can we write it in the means value of power 10? So 5 is at unit place and 8 is at tens place. So we will write as 8 into tens to power 1 plus 5 into tens to power 0. Tens to power 0. So tens to power 0 means 1. 1 into 5 plus 8 into 10. It means 80 plus 5. Okay. So this is the example of decimal number system. How can we write this number system in the place value of the power 10? Okay. Now we can proceed to octal number system. Octal number system, a number system which has its base as 8. 8 is called an octal number system and it uses number from 0 to 7. Okay, so it contains total 8 digits 0 to 7, and this is the table which has octal value from 0 to 7, and this is the binary equivalent of corresponding octal value. So base of this number is equal to 8. This number system is equal to 8. So how can we represent how many bits are used to represent this octal value? How can we calculate? So base is equal to 8 is equal to 2 to the power n, where n is equal to number of bits used to represent octal number. Fine. So we use only 3 bits to represent octal numbers. Each group will have a distinct value from 0000 to 111. 0 means 000, 1 means 001, 2 means 010, 3 means 011, 4 means 100, 5 means 101, 6 means 110, 7 means 111. Okay. Now, hexadecimal number system is a type of number system that has a base value equal to 16. Means base is 16 of this hexadecimal number system, and it is pronounced sometimes as hex numbers. Okay, so hexadecimal number represented by 16 symbols. Symbols are 0 to 9 or A to F. So this number system is also known as alphanumeric number system, and this is the table which represents hexadecimal value. Hexadecimal number 0 to F, and this is the binary number corresponding to each and every hexadecimal number. Okay, so a base of this hexadecimal number system is 16. So 16 is equal to 2 to the power n, where n, so 16 is equal to 2 to the power 4. So n is equal to 4. So where n is equal to number of bits used to represent hexadecimal value. Okay, so this is the table shown in figure. Now the number system conversions. Okay, so here we will discuss conversions from binary to other system. Binary to other system means binary to decimal, binary to octal, and binary to hexadecimal. After this, we will discuss decimal to other system, decimal to binary, decimal to octal, and decimal to hexadecimal. Next, we will discuss octal to binary, octal to decimal, octal to hexadecimal. After this, we will discuss also hexadecimal to binary, hexadecimal to decimal, hexadecimal to octal numbers. First of all, we will start with binary to other system. Okay, so binary to other system. Firstly, we will discuss binary to decimal conversion. So how will we perform binary to decimal conversion? So these are the conversion steps. First, write the given binary number and count the power of 2 from right to left. Now, write each binary digit right to left with corresponding power of 2 such that first binary digit MSB will be multiplied with greatest power of 2, and add all the products in the above step. After this, the final answer will be required decimal number. So, class, how will we perform? So we will take one example to do this. Here, question: convert this number into decimal, into decimal. So solution: what are the steps? Write given binary number. First of all, we will write this number, and now this number is multiplied with the count, the power of 2. How? This number is known as LSB, least significant bit, and this number, this digit is leftmost digit is known as MSB, most significant bit. So now we will write as 2 to the power 0 from right to left. We have to move from right to left: 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. Then we will multiply this positional weight to each and every binary digit, corresponding binary digit. So we will write as 2 to the power 0 multiplied by 1 plus 2 to the power 1 multiplied by 1 multiply plus 0, 2 to the power 2 plus 1, 2 to the power 3. Now add all the products. 2 to the power 3 means 8, 8 into 1 8, 0. If we multiply 0 with any number, then we will get to 0 as a result. 2 to the power 1 is 2 into 1 2, and 2 to the power 0 means 1. 1 into 1 1. So answer will be 8 plus 2 plus 1 means 11. So this is the answer in decimal. और decimal का जो base है वो क्या होगा? 10. Okay. Now if question is in decimal point form, 0.105. So how will we solve this number into decimal? So class, because after decimal, suppose let us consider 0.25 मीन्स क्या होता है? 0.25 ये आपका डेसिमल में है 0.25, राइट? तो आप इसको कैसे लिखोगे? 2/10 प्लस 5/100. 2/10 plus 5/100 means 2 into 10 to power -1 plus 5 into 10 to power -2 means यहाँ आप डेसिमल के बाद -1 पावर में चले जाते हो। तो ऐसे ही हम बाइनरी में लिखेंगे। ये डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम था तो आप 10 टू पावर से कर रहे थे, यहाँ हम बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम से बात कर रहे हैं तो यहाँ 2 to the पावर के को कंसिडर करेंगे, राइट? अंडरस्टूड? नाउ 0.101. So positional weight of this digit is 2 to the power -1. Positional weight of this digit 2 to the power -2. Positional weight of this digit 2 to the power -3. And we will multiply between these all digits. So expand this. So 0.1 is equal to 1 is equal to 1 into 2 to the power -1 plus 0 into 2 to the power -2 plus 1 into 2 to the power -3. So 1 into 2 to the power -1 means 1/2. This factor will give 0 plus 1/8. So we will solve it, add these all sum terms, and we get the result. 1/2 plus 1/8 means 0.5 plus 0.125. So it will give 0.625 as a decimal number. So this is the binary to decimal conversion. Okay class? So next topic is binary to octal conversion. So what is the procedure to convert from binary to octal? Take binary number, divide the binary digit into group of three digit, because because octal number is represented by 3 bits as I told you previously, uh, for integer part, and start from left for fraction. Okay, start from right for integer and start from left for fraction part. Convert each group of 3 binary digits to one octal to one octal digit. Note that you can add any number of zeros in leftmost bit or in most significant bit for integer part, and add any number of zeros in rightmost bit or in least significant for fractional part for completing the group of 3 bits. This does not change the value of input binary number. So how will we perform octal binary to octal conversion? Let us consider one example for this. Suppose 1011.11010. This is the number, and we have to convert this number into octal number. So binary number has base 2, octal number has base 2, base 8. So now, first of all, you have to make group of 3 bits. Group of 3 bits. So firstly, we will make group of 3 bits. So first group, and and for integer part, we already defined for integer part starting from the right. Okay, right to left. So 3 बिट्स के यहाँ पर आपने 2 ग्रुप फॉर्म कर लिए. नाउ फॉर फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट. ओके, यहाँ लेफ्ट. तो क्लास मैंने यहाँ नोट पे क्या इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट लिखा है आपका. यू कैन ऐड एनी नंबर ऑफ जीरोस फॉर इंटीजर इन द लेफ्ट मोस्ट पार्ट एंड फॉर फ्रैक्शन इन द राइट मोस्ट पार्ट. कब कब ऐड करना है? जब आपके कोई भी वैल्यू में 3 बिट्स आपके कंप्लीट नहीं हो रहे हैं, ग्रुप कंप्लीट नहीं हो रहा है. तो यहाँ आप देखेंगे फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट में आपके 2 बिट्स लेफ्ट है, एक पोजीशन वेकेंट है. तो उस वेकेंट पोजीशन को आप इस जीरो से फिल कर देंगे. यू कैन ऐड जीरो in MSB when you will consider integer part, and you can add zeros in rightmost bit when we will consider fractional part. Okay, this procedure does not affect value of your binary number. Okay, so zero हमने यहाँ पे add कर दिया है. Then we will form group of 3 bits. Now we will write binary equivalent of these group. So uh, this is the table as shown in the figure previously. This is the table. By this we can get octal value from the binary equivalent. So 101 means 5, 011 means 3, 0.1106, 1004, 1004. So this is the octal equivalent of given binary number. So we will put octal value of this given uh, binary number. Okay, so 000 means 0. ये आपका ऑक्टल हो गया, ये आपका बाइनरी इक्विवेलेंट हो गया. राइट. 001 1, 010 2, 0113, 1004, 1015, 1106, 1117. Right. So 101 means 5, 0113, 1106, 1004. So this is we performed binary to octal conversion here. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now we will discuss after this binary to hexadecimal conversion. So uh, take binary number, divide the binary digit into groups of 4, starting from right for integer part, same as previously we done, and start from left for fraction part. Convert each group of four binary digits to one hexadecimal digit. We will form we will form the group of four binary digits. Okay, so suppose uh, let us consider one question to explain this. 1110101.0110111. Okay, this is the binary number and you have to convert it into hexadecimal number, right? So we will start forming the formation the group of 4 bits, and for integer part we will start from the right, and for fractional part we will start from the left. Okay, now we will form the groups of 4 bits to one group, and one, two, three, four, two group, and we will move towards the fractional part, one group. Here two digits are left, so we have to make group of 4 bits, so we have to add here two zeros to complete this group. Okay, now we will form this group. Now we will write hexadecimal equivalent of this binary number. 1110 means E, 110 means D, point 0110 means 6, 1100 means C. So this is the hexadecimal equivalent. How can we write this? So as uh, this is the table, 0000, this is the binary equivalent to corresponding hexadecimal numbers. So 00 means 0, 0001, 1, 0010, 2, 0011, 3, 0100, 4, 0101, 5, 0110, 6, 0111, 7, 1000, 8, 1001, 9. Hexadecimal numbers are 0 to 9 and A to F. 1010 A, 1011 B, 1100 C, 1110 1101 D, 1110 1110 E, and 1111F. So this is the table of hexadecimal and its binary equivalent. So you can see 1110 means 1110, it means E. E. 11, next group is 1101. So 1101 means D. And in fraction part, next is 0110, so 01106 and 1100 C. So I hope binary to other number system conversion आपको क्लियर हो गया होगा. So we will discuss next conversion means decimal to other system. We will discuss in the next session. Okay, thank you.